I got in this trade when the L came down here and then bounced up into this area. I'm looking for this to rotate back down to this node. It was bouncing off VWAP here, but that's not really what the plan was today. I felt like this is the target that the upswing was shooting for. I felt like that's over. If you do enjoy these videos, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos in the future. If you do have any questions about my trades, just leave them in the comments below. So they're trying to buy this VWAP like it's going to go higher. And it's really just been oscillating all day. I'm trying to take advantage of that. I see this M period open. We need to break this L period. We bounce right here. I'll close it. Bouncing off that VWAP again. So I don't want to be a part of that if it's going to follow through with that. Oh, it's just not letting go the way I want it to. Give it one more try. There we go. See if we can break this L period. I would take one right around 500. I better put another order in here just so we have it. Now I want to watch this close and see if we can break that L. Leave as much room on this as I can. Now that I put these in manually, I want to make sure you flatten out of your trade. Otherwise, it'll leave these orders in. You know, it'll take this one out, but then this one you can't see will stay in the market here. I like to get down into this area, so that's 91. Or 92.25. We can extend this down. If we do break this period, it might move pretty fast. There's your 27 ticks. You put your 40 ticks down here. 98. Again, those are just points of reference. I really think it's going to make it down into this node. If not, back down to the low. You have this POC down here. But we need to break that L first. It's having a hard time doing that. This will be my last trade of the day either way. I like to stretch this out as far as I can. We get moving, I'll move this first target down to here and then start using stops to block these 27 and 40 tick increments. There, we're trying to break that. See if we get moving. I'm tempted to take one here at the 27 just to put something in the bank. But I do think it's going to come down here, but I don't want it to get caught in some kind of rotation here this late in the game. I need it to break relatively hard. Then we can start moving these down. Like I said, I don't want to get in caught in a rotation. Won't have the time to wait for something like that. There, we broke that 27. Now you can move that stop down to 503. Let's try to give it some room. It should drop relatively quick here, so if it's going to go. You do have half back there. Take one there at the 27. Just didn't drop the way I wanted it to. See how it's coming back into this node. So I wanted it to flush right through here. It's okay. Still have this one. Set the big target for that, 92. I took that first one because you've seen it spring back into this node. I don't have a time for it to do another rotation and get all the way down here. So I locked in that first 27 ticks here. Now we'll just ride this last one out, see if we can get down to our 40 ticks, kind of where we end up. We got to order 92, 92.25. See how it's tied to its node, this node right here. Doesn't want to let that go. That's what I was worried about. This is my ultimate target down here. There's a good chance it's going to flush down into here even. Just when I seen it spring back, it's even doing it now off half back. Figured I better take that 27 ticks. We get down here again, I'll bring the stop down. People buying this half back. Make sure you watch your time. 16 minutes left. It's not letting go yet the way I wanted it to, but it is making some progress. 125 is our 27 ticks. There's a little more. I think I'll secure this 27. There, we're getting a little more momentum, but we're at the volume area low here, so you got to be careful of that. Move this down even tighter. The POC is down here at 87. It wouldn't surprise me if we're headed to this again. There's 44 ticks. I want to get into this node here. 51. I'm not going to give that up. Very close. right there. 59 ticks. Good trade.